What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Avenge channel. Today we check out the night speedway in Pooch Cove, Newfoundland, and we also lose our drone. Well, guys, welcome back to another little midday adventure, I guess you could call it. Today we're actually checking out a place called Night Speedway. It's actually located in Pooch Cove, Newfoundland, around the little town of Flat Rock. This track was actually opened between 1969 and 1975, and I didn't even know it existed until, I don't know, a couple of days ago, really. And we decided just to load up the bikes and go check it out. It's about a 40-minute drive from right where I live, so it's not too far away. And to be quite honest with you, I can't find a lot of information on the track at all. So the information that I do have, it seems to be just a third-mile paved oval. It's very short. It would make a kick-ass like go-kart track for sure. As far as I can tell, it's just built and owned by Walter Knight. I'm not sure if the man's still living. It closed in the 1975 season, so I mean this track has been pretty much vacant for 47, 50 years around there. It's actually in really good shape. There's a few little spots that are really, really rocky, but it would take very little to actually probably get up and running again, believe it or not. But yeah, so just kind of check it out. This is just some random footage we kind of threw together. We decided to leave the dogs home on this one. They went for a hike in the morning, and it was around 32 degrees with the humidity today. And we just decided that it'd be too much for them. So they were just hopping around from couch to couch in the air conditioning. They're doing fine for sure. But this is initially where we came onto the track. As you can see, that it's actually in pretty good shape. And we just kind of ride around here. It's nothing too exciting. But yeah, check it out.
Bensound.com. 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 few moments later.
Well guys, we lost the drone, so we're now searching through the woods trying to find it. We'll probably never see that again. But anyway, we tried.
We found our drone. As soon as it got above the tree line, the wind took it and that was it. It was game over. So
We just spent an hour.
we just spent an hour, but let's see if we can get out of here. Just watch your ankles, babe. There's this little trail here that we came through it. There's a big rock. Oh man. Now, I think it's up here, is it? Or what way did you come up through, down through there?
You can walk right up to the top and walk.
Well,
This leads to where we were to.
yeah, well, I want to be cooler and trailblaze. I remember that bogey wheel. We just came through here. Oh, sweet. Fuck yeah, that's coming home. Definitely. Now, we stashed the bikes down here. Well, like, if I wouldn't have lost the drone, I never would have found that. Cool. So just some random footage, guys, of our little adventures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.